How to start Amazon business step by step. Introduction. Starting an Amazon business is one of the most popular ways to start an online business. It is a great way to test the waters of entrepreneurship and to start making money online. With Amazon's huge range of products, services and tools, anyone can start their own business and become a successful Amazon entrepreneur. In this video, we'll take a look at how to start an Amazon business step by step. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to selling products and marketing your business. Step 1. Research. Before you start your Amazon business, it's important to do your research. You need to understand the market, your competitors and the products you plan to sell. You should also think about your target audience and how you will reach them. Researching the market and your competition will help you create a successful business plan. Step 2. Set up your account. The first step to starting an Amazon business is to set up your account. You can do this by visiting the Amazon website and clicking on Start Selling, or you can learn by watching the video on my channel. You will then be asked to create an Amazon seller account. This will allow you to list and manage products, set up payments and manage orders. Step 3. Choose a product category. Once you have created your account, it's time to choose a product category. Amazon offers a wide range of product categories to choose from, such as books, electronics, apparel, toys and much more. Think about what products you want to sell and which category is the right fit for your business. Step 4. Source your products. Once you have chosen a product category, you need to source your products. You can do this by finding a supplier who can provide the products you need. You can also look into dropshipping and fulfillment services, which allow you to sell products without having to store and ship them yourself. Step 5. Create your listings. Now that you have sourced your products, it's time to create your listings. You can do this by visiting the Seller Central page on the Amazon website and clicking on Create a Listing, or you can have a guideline by watching video on my channel. Here you will be able to add all the details about your product, such as its description, images and pricing. Step 6. Set up payments. The next step is to set up payments. You can do this by visiting the Payments section of your Seller Central page. Here you can add your payment information and set up payment methods such as credit cards, PayPal, Payoneer, Wise, SktaPay, NayaPay, and Amazon Pay. Step 7. Promote your business. Now that you have set up your listings and payments, it's time to start promoting your business. There are a number of ways to do this, such as creating Amazon ads, setting up an Amazon storefront and using social media to market your products. Step 8. Manage your business. The final step is to manage your business. You can do this by visiting the Orders section of your Seller Central page. Here you can view and manage orders, track sales and set up shipping and returns. Conclusion. Starting an Amazon business is an exciting way to start your own online business. By following the steps outlined above, you can create a successful business in no time. Good luck! Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more informative videos.